Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up payment methods for insurance using PayPal. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To set up payment methods for insurance using PayPal, start by logging into your PayPal account. Once logged in, navigate to the settings icon located at the top right corner of the page. In the settings menu, click on payments from the list of options. Now, look for the Manage Pre-Approved Payments section. Click on Manage Pre-Approved Payments. Here, you can see any existing agreements and the option to create a new one. To create a new payment method, click on the Set up a new payment method button. Choose the type of payment method you want to set up for your insurance, such as a subscription or invoice payments. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary details about your insurance services. Make sure to provide accurate information for the total amount and payment frequency. Once you have filled in all the required fields, review the information carefully. After confirming that all details are correct, click on Agree and Continue to proceed. Next, you will be taken to a summary page where you can review all terms and conditions. Read through the terms, as it's essential to understand your commitments. If everything looks good, click on Confirm to complete the setup. Your payment method is now set up for your insurance services using PayPal. You can return to your payment settings to manage or modify any payment methods at any time. Make sure to keep track of all transactions for your records. If you encounter any issues, check PayPal's help section for assistance. That concludes the setup process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.